guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a crazy setup because I am about to get my workout in. It is 9:30. I normally do my workouts early or right after work. Today is Saturday, but I decided I went food shopping early, and then I just kind of wanted to get out of the house early with the kids. So John got ready and stuff, and then I was like, you know what, I'll just do my workout later tonight, so this way we can get out of the house early. So I'm doing it. Put my clothes on, but I did want to come and let you guys in on two things that I do, or I'm about to do, because this is the first time I do one of them, to visually motivate me. So some people just need a visual motivator, and people make vision boards and you put things that you want on there and you put it in a place where you can constantly see it, and I've done that before too. And I am definitely a planner person, so I look in my planner every day. I write down my meals, I do all that. If you saw the video before this, it talks about my fitness and how I lost 30 pounds. And so I wanted to come and share with you guys two things that I do that visually reminds me of my weight loss. Sometimes it's hard to you look at the scale, and a lot of people are like against the scale and all that, and I agree. Sometimes the scale is not good for you, because you can try on a new shirt. You can actually have these three visual motivators. I would say one thing to motivate you that I did is you buy a pair of jeans or pants or a shirt in one size smaller. You try it on, you take the picture with it on, it not really fitting you or fitting a little too tight here, too loose there, and then you periodically try it on as you lose weight and you see the difference. And I actually did this with a pair of jeans, and I didn't like purposely do it. I knew I was on my way to losing weight. I was in the beginning of my journey, and I saw these jeans that I really liked that I had never found in my size, and even close to my size. Like, I always found them really small, and now they were on the clearance rack, and it was just one size smaller than my size. And I said, I have to get these because I'm gonna lose weight, I'm gonna fit into them eventually, and they're on the clearance rack. I'm not gonna find them in my size now, so I might as well. So I did that. I bought them, tried them on, and I will insert a picture here of the progress of them. They didn't even close. They came up, but they didn't close. And then they finally closed after some time, but it gave me like a muffin top. And then now they close and I can wear them, and there's even some wiggle room. So the next picture I'll take, which I haven't took, is when they're actually big on me, and that'll be a great feeling. However, I didn't pre-plan that, but I think that's a great idea to buy clothes in just one size smaller. You don't have to go too crazy, and see, and that's like a visual motivation other than the scale. Another thing that I do to help me visually motivate me to losing weight is in my planner. If you are a planner, you can do this. You don't even have to do this in your planner. You can do this on a piece of paper and put it up somewhere, but it's this weight tracker. So I put my beginning weight, and then, you know, just a colorful, cute way to visualize you losing weight. And then I'm done with that one, and now I made my new one, made it on a big piece of paper, put all these quotes, my current weight, and every time, you know, I lose, I just fill in that box, and soon they're all going to be filled in, and that's going to feel great. So this is a visual reminder, just to visually see it and see, you know, your progress and everything, and it just feels good. So the thing I'm doing today, I just bought the stuff today, but I've been wanting to do, and I finally bought this stuff, is the pounds, and you probably have seen this on Pinterest, that's where I got it, and other YouTubers probably. So this is pounds lost, and then I put get us out of here, and I did this with my Cricut, but you can put it with stickers, you can put anything. You can use a Sharpie, you can use anything to write on it. You don't even have to write on it, you could just know what it's for. And then this one, I did it a little too big, but it says pounds gone forever, and then it says fill me up. So in here I got these at the Dollar Tree, and I already had these two, but I did end up I bought two also, and one bag of marbles was more than enough for me, but I did buy two because I wasn't sure. So for just a couple bucks, you can do this, and you can put it somewhere that you're going to see it, and it's just a visual reminder. So in here right now, I have 60 marbles, and I've already lost 30 of them. So I thought it'd be nice for me to do this on video with you guys and show you me moving the 30 pounds into here, and it'll be great. So every time I lose a pound or two or whatever, I will take the marbles from here and put it in here until this one is empty. So I'm gonna show you now me filling up my pounds lost and pounds gone forever. They're forever gone. I'm not gaining them back. So here we go. Ready? I'll speed this up so that you know. So pounds forever gone now is 30 pounds, and I have 30 pounds in here. So I'm at the halfway mark of my first big goal. Yeah, I was gonna say. So my overall goal is about 60 pounds. I definitely could lose more than that, but my first big goal is 60 pounds. So that's what I'm gonna stick with here. And I'm halfway there and I started this journey in April, and we are now in July 14th. I started April 21st. So pounds gone forever, 30, and then pounds to lose. So hopefully little by little we'll be seeing all these marbles go in here, and right now they're even, but it'll be really nice when this one is almost empty and this one is almost full. So just a cute little way to keep you motivated. You can also do this with like a bunch of different ways you can do it. You can be creative, and it cannot be marbles. I saw another one on Pinterest. It says pounds erased and pounds to erase, and it was a bunch of those like top erasers. You could do something like that, would be cute. You could do it on paper, like I said. There's a ton of ways for you to do it, to visually see and visually remind you of your progress, right? Because it's not only like, oh, look at all these pounds I had to lose, but look, I lost all these pounds. So just thought I'd give you guys a few tips on how to visually see your weight loss. And now I am going to work out, and I'm hoping it's 9:32. I'm hoping that I can do 3 miles in less than an hour, and now I did 3 pounds in 44 minutes. I think that's the shortest time. So I'm hoping I can do that, because I want to go shower and lay down and read and have a green juice and call it a night. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.